We're out here with Sadie, the shop dog. She's still kind of upset that her shop burned down, so Grip Clean decided to send us a few little things to help us feel better, a little care package. They sent us some hand wipes, some hand soap, some hand cream, nail brush, a towel, a degreaser cleaner, and then a Ultra Shine cleaner polish. We'll probably hit the interior of the service truck with that a little bit later. Thank you, Grip Clean, for reaching out to us and sending this. These all seem to be really great products. We used the hand soap a little bit already, and it definitely does a great job of cleaning. We've all seen the burnt Milwaukee. And no, it's not completely burnt, but it's definitely black and nasty and everything. Grip Clean sent me these tool wipes. We're going to try it out on this thing and see if we will take off any of this black. Maybe try to make it new again. It definitely takes that stuff off of there. I think the housing is just so discolored and everything from the fire that it's not going to take anything off there. It's just completely discolored. But it definitely cleans up that battery. Takes a lot of that soot and ash and nasty stuff off of there. Almost looks brand new there. You can see with just one wipe, I mean, it's taken a lot of that stuff off there. Pretty good product. They smell great. They work great. It might not be able to clean up all this black stuff. Like I said, it's discolored. It's not just nasty. It's discolored. But great product. Thanks a lot, Grip Clean.